effects of a lot of our partner nations as well as our own country, which contributes to many of our national strategic imperatives. The ability of our crew to operate out at sea is truly amazing to be a part of. Under the tactical control of Joint Interagency Task Force South in Key West and Coast Guard District 11 in Alameda, the Waesche crew, along with our shipmates from the Coast Guard's Helicopter Interdiction Squadron, the Tactical Law Enforcement Team Pacific, the Cryptologic Team in Texas, gelled into a formidable team.
That way, something.
Thank you for a job exceptionally well done. Thank you very much.